The Nesting and Fabrication extension brings the power of fully integrated, automated, and associative nesting to Fusion 360. We built nesting to be used easily with existing assemblies by including simple part filtering to reduce overall model prep time. When you're ready to nest, simply head to the manufacturing workspace with no need to translate or export your design, so there's no data loss along the way. Quickly set up the nesting study with a familiar and easy-to-navigate dialog box. This extension leverages the TrueNest algorithm, bringing fast, reliable, and proven nesting technology to Fusion 360. Parts are automatically flattened, grouped by material and sheet thickness, and nested based on your specifications. Compare key metrics of nesting results and view even more detailed metrics in the printable nesting report. Once your parts are nested, create toolpaths directly within Fusion 360, and when your part is fully programmed, use our library of free and fully customizable post-processors to get the code to your machine. Nested sheets can also be exported as DXFs to support a variety of workflows. But what about when a design changes? Even a small change can have a huge impact to nesting efficiency, affecting throughput and material usage. Nesting and fabrication in Fusion 360 is fully associative, so changes to the design are automatically consumed when the nest is updated. Simplify and automate your nesting workflow with the Nesting and Fabrication extension in Fusion 360.